What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of SK9's Walk and Talk. Yes, sir. Where am I? Eastern Parkway. That's where I am right now. Walking to the train station. So, I'm gonna do a little video on the train. Actually, I did a video on the train before, but that was on Facebook. So, I'm gonna hit it up for y'all on YouTube. You know how it is. There's something else I wanted to tell y'all. Can't remember. Oh yeah, it's snowy out here. Well, it's not. It snowed a couple of days. It's nasty snow now, but it's like, yeah, it snowed on Saturday. What she said. Anyway. So yeah, check it out. It snowed on Saturday. It's mostly gone. I mean, except for certain areas. It's all craziness. But anyway, so we about to hit the train station right now. It's like 5 o'clock right now. That's why it's kind of, I know I'm looking mad hood, Oh shoot, she broke off running. Now I gotta run. See, look, she running, look. You see? She running and I gotta run with her. So I gotta burn more energy.
It's the same.
I'm tired. I ain't fit for this. I'm getting old.
I came up in that style, right?
Yeah, bro. I don't think it ain't gonna matter. It doesn't matter. Because there's downstairs and upstairs. Yeah, so we're going to the train section right now. I'm gonna keep it going. Uncut. Look. Y'all know what the train station looks like? Going underground. Oh snap. Underground. That's where the trains are. In New York City. Oh snap. Way out there. Guess what? I don't have a metro card. No. We'll catch y'all later. So we just missed the train. What? We just missed the train. That's what happens when you don't have a metro card. Look, check. P, yes, giving him a shout out. He watches my walk and talks. We be going crazy on Call of Duty. That's my boy. Shout out to him. Shout out to Hood Nerd. Shout out to who else? Ablo. Shout out to. My bad if I forgot anybody that I often play with. I'm trying to remember. I can't remember. Right here. Well, anyway. Shout out to everybody that I play with on Call of Duty. Baby boy _91. Shout out to him. My brother. But anyway, alright, I'm not gonna keep it going crazy, but wait for the train and we'll see what happens then. Alright? Hey, what up? Yeah, so I'm back on Eastern. Headed back home, you know what I'm saying? It's cold out here, yeah. But I don't care. Y'all remember that for the last one, right? With the pigeons. But nah, but I'm out here. We headed home. And that's it. Y'all probably wondering why. Let me show my friend. Because I just don't want all y'all in my business. Alright? Now,
Yeah.
I'm in the back of her head. Wait. Oh! Oh, look, you can't see her face. Oh, shoot. But, so no. But, I'm in a good mood now, so I'm not going to address the hate that I was getting on the DLB network. You kidding me? I ain't got no life. I don't care what you think. I got a life, alright? And I'm loving it. Okay, that's a lie. I do have a life, but I'm not loving it. But I don't care. I mean, whatever y'all say to me is not going to change me and stop what I'm doing. And what I'm doing, there's people out there that like me. And remember, y'all giving me views too if y'all continue watching it. So, please keep watching. Alright? Thanks to all the haters. And thanks to all the fans. Alright, so I'm going to be out because my hands are getting cold. I ain't got no gloves on. So, I'm going to catch y'all later. Until next time, it's SK9. Walk and talk. Life, baby. Peace.